Guys, I'm not introducing anything like what is programming, what is interpreter. I'm not doing anything now at least. Okay, so very simple way I will tell. Okay, here only I will add for today's notes. Tomorrow I will change it. Okay. First is a Python. Python is a very simply it is a programming language. It is a just a programming language, double M or single M, so no problem. Programming. Like Python, there is a several programming languages are there. So example C, C++, Java, .NET. In a .NET, different type of .NETs also there, like a ASP.NET, C Sharp .NET like that. And on other hand, there is a shell scriptings also there, and things like another programming language is Perl or Perl, what is it is? Perl, Ruby. Okay. So Bash script means Linux scripting is shell script. Nowadays we have a PowerShell also. So one of the script language and programming language itself, along with Python. So Python has a double properties. Python has a double properties. Python can be is a scripting language. Python is a script, not only just to create application, just to write a script also we can able to do with a Python. And also we can use it to create some applications and data structures, data science, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development related. So we can use a Python for everything. That is the main of a Python. Guys, when we are in the Java mode, like a Java, C++, Python, these are a mainly important question is what is difference. Okay, what is the difference between C++, Java, and Python? Okay. Hmm. So this is a very important. Here it is. Java is a object oriented programming language. So know about Java is very important because it's the most popular of programming language. Okay. So Java is a object oriented programming language. So what is object oriented? For Java, everything is object. Everything is a object. To run a Java program, you must define. Okay, you must define classes. You must define classes. Without a class and function or a method, Java won't work. So compulsory you have to define the class and method, functions, and objects. Without that one, your Java won't work. Okay, of course. Object is a main word in the Java. That is a main. Of course. Another hand, Java is a works in a multiple different platforms. So what is that called? Platform independent. Very good. Platform independent. What is independent? Platform independent means works on any OS. Okay, it works on any operating system, like it works on Linux, Unix, and Windows operating system only. So just what it is required to run a Java program, what we need? JRE. Java runtime environment, environment, whatever the word is. So Java runtime environment is required to run the Java program. There are so many things are there. Java used for a big applications, to build a web application. So many things are there for a Java. Okay, just why I told Java, because people who want to learn a programming language which is very powerful. So people who cannot able to learn the programming like a Java, which is very powerful. Okay, mainly non-IT background people want to learn some programming language like a powerful as Java. They can learn Python. They can learn Python. Then why I've written C and C++? So I will directly tell C is not oops. C is a not a oops. So you can't define classes and functions and methods. So objects. This is won't work here. C is not a object oriented programming language. It's a purely function. What is that we call it as structure oriented. Structure oriented. No. Program oriented structure. Object oriented. This is object oriented. Java is object oriented. C is a yes some process oriented. Procedure oriented. Very good. Procedure. Procedure oriented. Very good. Very good. See, you guys are no answers, but you are not telling. Maybe you are feeling shy. Yeah, tell Anup. It is object oriented. This is a procedure oriented language, and we can't run on a different platforms. Means it's not a platform independent. Again, you have to run in a turbo C++ kind of stuff only. Next, C++ is oops again. So that's the difference. Okay. Yeah, I passed in C++ in my diploma by writing a question paper 4 times. You know that that's a great. It is a oops. Difference is that one. But C and C++ both are not platform independent. Okay, not platform independent. So also you can find few more things. Java has a lot of things. Okay, and Java is a object oriented, platform independent. So which is the better? Platform independent. Okay, but it is object oriented. Very good, because everything we can define under class. Good. But what is the Python? Python procedure oriented and object oriented also. Functions, everything we can define. We can define something. Okay, so procedure oriented, object oriented. In a Python, you can define a class with no class also. Okay, so you can define classes and object. If it is a class is there, means everything is an object there. Objects, class, objects, functions. Okay, you can write a functions or a methods. Names are always same, guys. Nothing important is in a classroom we call everything in one by one, same like a name. But once you done everything, it is same only. Which language is case sensitive? I think both languages are case sensitive. Java and Python compulsory case sensitive only. All languages are case sensitive. C, C++, I didn't remember. but all languages are case sensitive only. Okay, so okay, so can define classes and all. So procedure oriented. In a procedure oriented, there is no class kind of stuff. It means without define class objects class and without defining class and functions. Okay, without defining functions, we can write. Okay, we can write a code. We can write a code without defining it. With defining, we can define it. Without defining it, of course, it is object oriented means it satisfy Oops concept. It is also object oriented programming language. It is also object. Oops. Okay. And one more. What is it? Platform independent. You can run. This is different. Okay. Independent platform independent. Understand the differences, guys. Differences are important always. Okay. Next, about a Python. Python uses. Where we use the Python? Everywhere. Simply say everywhere. For everything we can able to do it. Earlier, only gaming and graphical GUI applications and gaming is not there. Now we can able to do that one also. Okay. So for coding purpose, for coding or scripting, but a script, no programming. Okay. We can build applications. We can build applications. Network programming, like a network hacking purpose, also we can do it. Network programming, we can use it. GUI application, not only simple application, GUI applications and games also you can build it. Okay, games also you can build it if you want. No doubt. Then where is this? Yeah, here it is also working now. I mean, E drive, that is important. Projects, which is working. Yeah, yeah, here it is. That is my Navios World one. Okay, open with. Okay, not bad. It is not. No, no, no. It's okay. I will open directly Visual Studio Code. Okay. No problem. Later. Okay. You can build your own games, web. Okay, web application or web programming related. Also, we can able to do it. Okay. And another one and data science. Okay. And data analysis compulsory. If you want to go to data science, if you want to go for
Yes,
a
sir.
data science, data analysis, Python is
Yes, sir.
compulsory. Python is compulsory. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, compulsory. You should do it. Compulsory. Python is so Python for everything. Okay, for a programmers, non-programmers, for both the things, Python is necessary. Okay, so that is a
Yes,
basic
sir.
introduction. So I will give you one very good notes. Only I want to show you now this one. This is called a TK Inter. Okay. So why Python? So that is there is a few more things are there. Yeah, already I've opened PPT, but I'm not going with PPT. So suddenly I'm also getting what happened? What happened? Something is happened. Some release note. Just what to do with this one? Git lines, Git publisher, extensions. Just taking too much time. Okay, now problem. So why Python? It is also important, right? So why Python? Okay, what's important is simple. You know, I already told C C plus plus in my diploma. I wrote a question paper four times to pass. So then I passed in that exam. One of my friend taken my idea and he impressed with my idea. He write exam like that, and of course he got only 1 mark in that exam. Now he's doing he's completed PhD. He's a scientist now in biomedical engineering. Okay, so he actually he's the one of the person who behind working on this corona kits. Vizag there now. So okay, so okay, it is very simple. You know to write 2 3 lines to print a statement. For example, if you take a simple C language to print statement, okay, print as syntax. See, so first of all, you can go to anything format. So see, you have to give why this is basically the guy who written here is a maybe idiot. He given something differently, compiling, linking. Array, any person will give first hello word. Definitely don't go to this kind of websites. Really, people forget how to write a program or what? Java T point is always better one. Okay, full statement. See, it is you have to use hash include stdio hat has you have to initiate which library you want to do it, and you have to tell go with the main function, and then go for a numbering. So integer is a number. Printf enter the number. Okay, okay. This is not required, guys. These two parts, and this is also not required. So hash include the stdio.h. Okay. So just void main method and print statement return 0 like this or get ch like that. So then you will get at least print statement. You will get a print like this, a statement like this. Only you will get a print. This is there including output and kind of stuff. Reading output kind of stuff is there. So it is no, it's just a very simple. 1 2 3 4 5. These are lines we require to write on the C language. C language. That's I'm telling. C plus plus same thing only. Only the title stdio.h will be changed. Then you go to the Java. Simple Java file. See, first we have to define the class and define the method. Okay, or a function. So main method it is, and define a print statement. This is the actual print statement. To write this one, I have to write define the class. I have to define the function and I have to close it. Then it will hello Java will print. So test now. Okay, so output compile and run. Okay, so this is the thing hello Java point. So this is the printing. For this printing 1 2 3 4 lines I have to write. Okay, so this is a simple Java only print statement I'm telling. You know, in a so why this is still not loading? Okay, this is my just ideally kind of stuff. Okay, I want to write a print statement. So hello Python. So this is very simple, right? So this is simply it is displaying hello Python. Got the point? So you don't need to write, you don't need to define which class it is, you don't need to define which function you have to load first. Okay, not required. Just simply you can do write. Even like if you take a Java, first of all, you have to, if you want to define a variables in the Java, okay, in a Java you have to define a variables. A, B is there. A plus B you want to write. I'm telling you want a integer A and integer B. So for example, you want to give integer variable is 10 and integer variable is 20, and of course compulsory these things in Java. And you have to define like C is equal to A plus B. Okay, then you have to give some print statement, system out dot print ln C. So that is C, you have to write something. Okay, I didn't write that one, so just this is the code. Okay, in a Java plus class and functions, these things you have to add it, but I'm not doing anything. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, A plus B is 30. Or you can write like this, print A plus B 30. Or if you want, C is equal to A plus B. C is 30 because it's ideally, so no problem. Or you can give print C like this. How many statements? I define A, but I didn't tell what is integer or not. I just given a 10, it is understand it is integer. I given B is equal to 20, it is integer only. I didn't mention integer. I given simple statement, print A plus B. Okay, or if you want C is equal to A plus B kind of function, that's I define it and print C. So how many statements? I didn't given any other kind of stuff. Okay, otherwise I will show you the difference between Java execution and Python execution. Okay, but this is not loading. Why it is not loading? I don't understand. I want to show you my talent, right? It's build up is important. Sometimes, see, it is. I build this calculator and I given a number C 30 something something. I added these two numbers A plus B. Subtract A minus B, multiply A into B, and I remove these things. This is the thing I created. You know, I don't know programming. Literally, I'm not from IT. Okay, I'm not from me. I don't have knowledge on C, C++, Java, anything. I learn Python only for to teach. Only for teaching purpose only. I learn Python on myself. Okay, I didn't take any course Python. I learn Python by using YouTube videos, doubts, clarifications, and all. We keep it very basic Python. I learn. This is the basic code I've written. TK enter only just by using some
No, but
YouTube video
how you make
basically.
interface of calculator coding, it's okay. But you make interface that calculator. That's how
Which one?
uh, when you run the program, the interface come of calculator,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
How it's made? Like, it is made on Python or it's what? It is front end.
It is because of Python only. And Python has multiple type of libraries. Lot of libraries are in Python. That's the main thing. So a lot of communal community kind of things also there. So I took a tk enter library, so it will execute that one. So like this is only for box purpose. In that box I am keep adding like labels like a welcome, a b as a input. Okay, and add buttons, subtract buttons, multiply buttons, add the buttons. And I've written a function, means if I want to add it, what add will do, what subtraction will do, what multiplication will do, what clear will do. Okay, so like that I
Okay,
created.
okay.
Okay, it took little bit time, but still see, understand a person without having any programming knowledge kind of stuff or a background. I am the network engineer. I am a CCNA, 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 CCNP, servers, Linux is my subject, but still I can able to do Python. So that's the beauty is of Python is anybody can learn Python. So that is the main thing. No need to do very hard work. Pages of code you need to write it. So that's a very beauty. It's very simple example to tell difference between Python and Java. I've written a Python program. That is a simple difference. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here I need where is that project folder? Yeah, folder is enough. So I took a notepad file, remove everything. I'm putting simple dot Java execution of Java and Python also I will tell. So this is my Java file and nothing is there. So I have to edit with a notepad. Okay. I am defining a class is a public class simple compulsory same name you should give. Okay. And bracket completed. Now you have to give static void main. I have to know this one only. I remember um, args
Think house.
Bring
string is there now.
string
So one
class,
second. Otherwise, I
string
will go
class,
to this one. Will copy paste string args bracket right.
answer first letter is capital of class name.
String args and I think there is a mistake. A square brackets are mistake. See how much struggle I'm doing. Understand my struggle. And this is within this statement within the bracket only you have to put system dot out dot println and again quotations hello java. Okay, so this is my simple file. Someone send a message.
Semicolon.
Yeah, yeah, semicolon, very good, semicolon
First letter
must be
capital.
capital or underscore underscore like that, and I have to change my file name also, otherwise class will be different. Okay, so this is program. We'll get errors or anything, we'll see. String. Oh, yeah, are missing.
String.
Are missing. See how many errors are there. Okay. Just I want to print this one, but I've written these many lines. Okay. So first of all, save it and rename it because we no need of renaming it, but still to avoid a confusion. So we'll do it simple. Dot Java. Okay. So this is my Java file. Now I'm going to my CMD. Okay, and this is E drive. So go to E drive, CD projects. Oh, E drive, CD projects. So CD projects, Java file. Right? So I'm executing Java. Okay, Java. First I have to compile. Okay, and simple Java. So when I compile, okay, so it will create a simple dot class file. Okay, simple dot class file. This simple name came from I define a class name, right? So simple, so that is the name it is generated. Okay, so if you put a different names compulsory you have to execute class file only. Now this is for compiling purpose only, class file for executing. Like how to execute Java Simple, execute. I got a very big error. How? Main language support. How it is possible? Ah, it is good. 1.8. There is a mistake in my programming only. Again, check it. The class is simple. Public class, simple. What I will do? See, save it. So we'll use this one only. Compiling it is not showing any error. I have some problem in my Java only. I think so because it's showing runtime only recognizing file version up to 52. Something there is a problem in my PC Java. Okay, sorry, but no problem. We have one more thing, that is Python. So simple, again simple dot py. Okay, so yeah, dot py. This is dot py. Right click, open with Notepad. Open with Notepad. So I'm typing print command. Hello Python. That's it. Save it. Close it. Okay, simple dot py. Any name you can put it. So I put a Python. I put a CLS Python simple dot py. It is executed, right? See, this executed. So I need to write 4 lines, and I need to forget what is args or string or maybe a class definition. I'm not doing anything. Simply, it is given a print statement. That is the easiness, simplicity. Okay, that's why a non-programmer can able to. I'm deleting all these files. Okay, so a non-programmer can able to what it is can able to write a code, write a code very simple way. That is the main beauty of it. So why programming language? And of course, it is a platform independent. Anywhere you can able to execute. It is a platform independent. It's a platform independent. Anywhere you can able to execute. Okay, of course you can use anywhere. One more thing I forget here, that is database connectivity also there, like your Java database connectivity is also there, like a database connection. Okay, so like you can connect it to Oracle database, SQLite, like that also we can able to connect it. Okay, we can use commands like insert command and all, we can use with this one also. Okay, multiple libraries. Okay, multiple libraries. So not a simple libraries, thousands of libraries are available. Thousands of libraries are available. So that's another part of here. Um, Python. Guys, first of all, I will tell the resources of learning a Python because I'm not striking like you must listen to my class, then only you will learn a Python is not there because I never learn a Python from some institute. Okay, so not a guru kind of course. There's a few YouTube channels are there. There is a very good channels are there. So first one is okay. Where I got a very confident means very simple people who want to learn with a single example, very quickly learning people. So for them, Telusu this one. Naveen Reddy, the guy name is Naveen Reddy. This is Gunduge. Okay. So he given very simple. You can go for a 10 minutes. Don't go with a Python or Java 6 hours, 7 hours. That is up to you. But you will feel bored and you want continue. Even I close so many times. Okay. But you can go to this guy's Python 5 minutes 10 minutes videos are there, so you can go for it. It's a very simple and easy explanation, so that is Telescope. Another resource, people who want to be certified in a Python also, you can do, of course. Durga Soft is also there, so YouTube channel Durga Soft is there. Python is Telescope is a simple, always go for a 10 minutes type of videos only. Second one is NetAcad. Okay? It is a Cisco related one. So you can learn Python freely here. Okay, of course, if you finish on time courses, then you will get some certificate, and also you will get some discount in a certificate. You can see C, C++, Advanced C++, like this there. Oh, JavaScript Essentials also there. It is newly there. Always see online self-placed. Online self-placed must be there. So this is the Python programming essentials. You can go to this one, read the description. Of course, I can give you this course also, but lot of people not finishing course. Cost free. Cost is free anytime. Okay, it's a free. No need to pay anything. Not a single rupee. Earlier, I given a course to students from my ID, but freely. But people are not completing the course on time. It is always a wasted. So you can learn. Okay, so better you can learn it. It is very useful now or later also. So that is the way. JavaScript essential now only I'm seeing this is there. So and also you can learn so many things courses freely. I'm not okay, I like free. We are Indians, first preference is free. Networking essentials free. Introduction to cyber security free. Cyber security essentials you have to verify free or cost. Same thing. This is free. Introduction to IoT. Okay. Like this. NDS Linux Unhatched free. Linux and Essentials free. This is $25. $25. Free. 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 Okay. So this is cost. CCNA will charge. And you can't learn because it's an instructor lead, not online. Okay. I'm also earlier I am a Cisco instructor. I have ID. Okay, my ID only. What happened? Okay, okay, no problem. Essential one. It is not in English. What is the meaning of this? Which language it is? Something changed. This is something French coins. Okay, guys. Another one is tutorial point. Tutorial points. Like you can go to click on Python here. You'll get a Python tutorials. If you finish at least this part, and keep going at least up to here. Date up to here, it is enough. Up to here it is enough. Python exceptions date, up to here it is enough. This is extra, so you can go on it later. So it depends upon you. Okay. On another hand, it is W3 schools. I prefer to learn in any status with less example, less confusion, easy practice purpose. I feel it is better. So learn Python. So this is Python tutorial. This also up to modules. No need of modules here. Up to file handling. Up to here file handling and class definitions are are there earlier. So here it is class and objects are there here also. So you can do it inheritance, iterators. Okay, like that up to file handling. Okay, at least minimum up to here. If you finish it, you are you know the Python. That's it. You know the Python. Remaining you can learn simply one by one. Okay, so like that. So this is a Python introduction. What is a Python? It's a Guido Van Rossum is actually started a Python. Earlier, it's a they want to build a programming language which works with other programming language, which work with a other programming language, but it has become a delay to become a popular. But now it is a very popular. Okay, it is very world one like a C++, Java. How it is very world one, Python is also very world one, but not popular at that time. But now it is popular because of libraries, and it is used for web development, server side, software development, mathematics. Okay, system scripting, like people who want to learn at least basics of machine learning, like that kind of stuff. Python with machine learning related also you can easily learn from here, at least basics what Python will do. So you have to read all these things. Already I explained it. Better to you read it. Works on different platforms. Basically, it is English like a structure only. Okay. So it is runs on an interpreter, means that code can execute as soon as it's written. Okay. No need to compile kind of stuff. It will compile itself. So there is a two versions are there, Python 2 and Python 3. If you write a program in Python 2, Python 3 don't understand it. If you write a program in Python 3, Python 2 don't understand it. Make sure that you develop a program in a Python 2, execute in Python 2 environment only. Okay. So other few cases I will if possible I will tell. So how to identify Python 2 or Python 3 kind of stuff. Okay. So remaining is get started, installation and all. So this is it. This is about your basically a Python. Python is a simple programming language, and there is a lot of things in your PPT. I will forward this PPT. Okay, which is prepared by Madhu sir only. Okay? I'm not good at PPTs. My PPTs are look different. Sir is very neat and clear. Okay, mine is more. Okay, so these are the Python features. What are the feature? Each feature explanation is there. Okay, to go through the PPTs also. And YouTube video you want it, so best is Telescope. And mainly, if you want to watch Telescope videos or anything, my point is always go for the 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes videos from Navin Reddy. Okay, so like that. Don't go with the 5 or 6 hours videos. Okay, next one is you can learn Python very freely with a course, means in maybe in future it is very useful. Yeah, it is Portuguese language. Yeah, why English? Oh, I think it is there in a Portuguese language only. Okay. Okay, so from NetAcad, so you can type NetAcad in your Google browser, so you will get it. You can create your login. Okay, you can log in yourself also. Okay, so then you can create your course freely. You can join it, so no problem, no need to pay for anything. if any 4 or 5 people we want to join, and you want to run in a guideline daily, you want to learn the course, want to learn Python daily, and you want to do write a exam in that one, and you want to complete course, you want to complete the course, then I can also add it if I will check it, my login and all. Okay. Another one is best one is always W3 schools for learning very basically. Okay. So already I told it is very simple to write a program, and also you can write very simplest things also. Where is this file? Okay, I didn't write it. So simple like you take. So what is there? Okay, something is there. Okay, that's it, guys. For so many things, because of lot of libraries and all, we can write different type of programming and different things. What it is, I want to show you how to install it. But you said introduction. Is it enough for an introduction? Later also we can discuss it, no problem. But read it. Read the tutorials first. Basic things. Python features, history, like that. Okay. Features are important. Anything first is a features, what it is, kind of stuff. And also I given a W3 schools. Go to home, introduction, get started. Up to here is important. Easy to learn. Okay, expressive language, like a very simple you can write it. Interpreted language, cross-platform language, so anywhere you can able to execute. Free and open source, no need to pay to anyone. Object-oriented language, support object-oriented. You can define classes and objects. Extensible, like you can write a, what is this? You can write a Python programming in other programming language, like you are doing some parallel code, and you can write a Python in between also. Okay, so you can integrate Python into other programming languages also, and it is wide support to different type of IDEs also. Okay, IDs also, dynamic memory allocation, something is there. Okay, so this is the main thing of your Python. So next, I will show you how to install 1 or 2 commands and practice the commands, and do it. What I will do, first I will show you installation, then we'll close section today. Okay, guys. Okay, already I have a Python. Already I have a Python. Okay, for you only I'm down. I will tell you how to download it. Installation is very simple. Yeah, I will show you installation. Is my virtual machine is running? It is shut down itself. Okay, no problem. So we don't worry about it. I will show in my physical machine only. First of all, type Python in your Google browser and type download. Okay, Python download or a Python, anything, no problem. Just click on Python, but it will open same window only. Download latest for Windows. You can click here and download a Python. You can click here and you can download a Python. You can run the Python in Docker images. Don't use different words too. You can download it for Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and other things also. Make sure which version you are download is very important. Okay, which platform you are using, that is also important. Current version is 3.10 is released, but I have a 3.9 version in my PC. 3.9 version in my PC. Better always uninstall the previous version and install the new version. Sometimes it will install side by side. You know, to learn the Python, you need to go anywhere, because if you go to the documentation, you will get a lot of things from here only. Okay, so a lot of things you can learn from the direct website and a help command also. Okay, so it is very simple to learn. No need to pay anyone. Okay, you can click here for a download this one, but I'm not clicking. I'm going to view full list of downloads. Go to this one, view full list of downloads. Okay, why it is showing like this? I need another one. Google, Microsoft. Why it is showing? No, no, not this one. Windows. Click on downloads. Windows. At least it will change something. Yeah. See, guys, this is a three Python 3. This is Python 3. This is Python 2, 2.7, and Python 10 won't work in a Windows 7 and earlier version. So if you require minimum Windows 8, okay, Windows 8 is required to this one. If you have a 7 or a older version like a XP's kind of stuff, so compulsory go with the 2.7 only. Okay, updated version of 7 means you have to check it. This is 7 work, but 7 service pack 1 like that. Okay, if you have a 8 or a 10, so you can use 3.10. If you have a XP7 kind of stuff, better go for a 2.7 version. Okay, so you have to search and go for it. Next, so this is the latest one. Yeah, yeah, we can use online compiler Jupyter. We can use a Jupyter also, and online so many compilers also there. If you don't want to install it, or if you are using Chromebook kind of stuff also, you can Z, Jai. Yeah, this is Jupyter. Jupyter. Okay, so this is the community type only, not a free, but you can get a lot of trials kind of stuff. Okay, so installation, try in your browser. You can see install Jupyter Lab. Try in your browser is also there. It is just a book type. Okay, uh, it is still launching. Okay, so we'll see this one later. So don't get confused, and I don't want to say anything. Okay, see guys, which one you have to download? See, here it is, Windows installer 64-bit. Our machine is 64-bit, right? I'm not, my machine is not 32-bit. My machine is 64. Better always 64. Don't, better not avoid a 32-bit applications on a 64. Better. Okay, so I'm going to download Windows installer 64-bit. So I click on a download and it will take time because I'm always use free download manager to do it, so it will open the plugin kind of stuff. Okay, and also you can try in my PC. So that is, it is asking download. It is want to download in desktop. I don't want, so I want to put it in my some other drives. So change it. Okay, so apps folder. Okay, down. Okay, so I'm downloading. Guys, people are asking questions like how to download. See, view this video. Visual Studio Code installation and Python installation. Okay, so download, install Python 1 and 2 also there. Okay, Python installation. What happened? Disconnected.
Recording in progress.
Guys, can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir. Now
You can. It is suddenly disconnected. I don't know why it is happened. Network is there good, but it is suddenly disconnected. Screen is also okay, right? You can view my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What is this? Okay, okay, these pictures. Uh, I think I forward these pictures, right? Cloud and virtualization pictures.
Yes, sir.
Right? These things. Type 1, type 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is I'm still it is installing something. It is very fast. It will take only 1 minute, 2 minutes. Why this much time? It is timed out. Yeah, completed. So I'm going to install it. Sometimes it won't override the. Sometimes it will uninstall the old one and install the new one. Sometimes it won't do that one. So I'm only Python installation only. I'm telling tomorrow. I will tell other things also. Okay, this is Python my 3.10. I'm installing this version. Okay, so you can install directly on your physical machine also. If you see here it is, guys, don't do randomly, read everything and decide properly. First important thing is you add Python to path. So what is path? Environmental variables. Environmental variables in Windows system. If you don't know, remind me tomorrow. I will explain what is environmental variables. Okay. IT 990 people both. If you don't know, please ask me tomorrow. If I forget, also you can ask me tomorrow. What is environmental variables? Okay. Install launcher for all users. It's the best option. You want to go to customize installation or just install now? Both are okay. Both are okay. Okay. You want to choose like a local path and all? You can go to uh, customize installation or install now. I check everything. I check everything. I don't do anything. Just I check everything. PIP is a installer one by one. I am explaining here. Okay, so PIP is a installer. Okay, clear drawing. PIP. What is PIP? You know M installer. M install the application, right? Packages. To if you want to install any package in the Python, so you have to use PIP command. Okay, PIP install. Okay, Python packages. To install a Python packages, we are using PIP. This is TK enter, which is I showed for a gaming purpose. Sorry, GUI programming purpose. It is used to for GUI programming. By default, we are getting. And ideally is a very simple IDE type. Normally, we have a IDEs like a Eclipse. Okay, this is Eclipse. NetBeans is also there in somewhere, and this is the PyCharm in a background. Okay, this is the PyCharm. Okay, of course, this is a Visual Studio Code. Okay, these are IDEs. Ideally, by default, IDE for our Python. Okay, we no need of any extra IDEs. Also, you can do programming in ideally environment. So this is a standard library test suite. Something is new. Okay, Python py launcher. Like if you it will check .py extension, it execute Python program automatically. For all users means it will install in basically C program files like that. Okay, so this is about all features. Next, so install for all users. You can see this is the big name it is showing. It is a local for my local. But when I select this one, see it is program files. All users look program files. Okay, if you want to select others, also you can select it. If you don't want it, no need to select it. But I am selecting. So what will happen? We'll see. And here is also add Python to environmental variables selection and create a shortcuts for installed applications. Okay. Right. Click on install. That's it. This is the same. And click on yes. User control, user account control is there. You have to click on yes. Okay. Let it install. Already have a installed Python is there. Just to show you how to install. Guys, understand how to download and how to install. What to download and how to install. Better if you don't know anything, simple select everything and install. Use customize only. No need to ask me again, sir, which one you we have to install, which selection you have to do it. Okay, like that. Okay, so Windows installer, this one. If you have Windows 10 updated version, you won't get any errors. Okay, sometimes it will throw an error in compatible versions only because of your Windows 10 is not updated, or maybe there is some virus in your PC. Okay, so in that cases, what to do? Install a Windows 10 in your virtual machine and you can install it. It will take time to finish the installation. So meanwhile, I will close some apps in my background. Okay, this is installation. Yeah, this is a Visual Studio Code. You can easily write a program in the Visual Studio Code. So what I'm saying is, what happened? I think my system become a slow or something is happened inside. That's it. Is yeah, here it is, guys. You want a Visual Studio Code? Type Visual Code installation. Okay, how to download, install, and Python plugin is also there. You have to do this thing after installation of Python. After installation of Python. So I'm going to details. So then I will find Python plugin. See, copy. Where is your WhatsApp? Wait. You can find a Visual Studio Code here. Python installation is also there. Normally this is I'm showing now installation. That is enough. You want a Visual Studio Code? Here also you can get it. Okay, that is Visual Studio Code. You want a Python download, install kind of stuff? You can also try. Okay, so because Visual Studio Code is a lightweight version, it is lightweight version. I use is a like a preferably PyCharm. You can also find how to install a PyCharm from my channel. Okay, so here PyCharm. See, this is a PyCharm installation, Python installation, and PyCharm installation. Okay, so this is a PyCharm installation is also there, but we have to install
Your
a Java
voice is
first.
breaking.
What it is? I didn't get it. Tell me again. My voice is breaking. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe I think there is a problem with my network. The two Geo. Let's go like this, like this, like this. Tests. The network problem. My network problem, guys. Just it will disturb again. It will disconnect and connect again. So wait, I will change my network. Guys, are you able to hear my voice clearly? It is
Yes, sir.
very good. Okay. I changed my network a little bit, but it's still struggling with this one also. Screen is okay, right? So in the Python, what are the things we must learn is like a print statement, strings. First is a print statements, variables. Okay, so variables, strings. Okay, so different type of strings, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Okay, so dictionary kind of stuff. Next, if else, right? So if else if kind of stuff. Okay, next, while, or, except, try and accept. Okay, in Java you have a try and catchy, try and expect. These are the main things. Next, how to define function or a method. Functions. Okay, defining a function, defining classes. Functions, it will take little bit time. So at least 1 hour, 2 hours you have to spend on functions. Classes are okay because it's we don't do more things in a classes function. Like a Java, we don't do it here by starting learning. Okay, if possible, file handling, file handling, and date and time. So these are the main thing we will discuss first. So depends upon your time. So we'll see by Friday how much we can able to complete. So today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe we'll see. Maybe 2 days we'll see. Maybe 2 days maximum I will get it. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow we'll try very hard. Okay. If you want a notes or anything, like I think Sir given everything in PPT, we'll try it also. I want to show some one command and I want to leave you, but it is not doing anything. So if you are a programmer or not programmer background, no need to worry, guys. Just you have to install it. Start open ideally. Okay, start open ideally. No need of this Visual Studio kind of stuff. Also not required. Okay, only simple ideally. Open it. Start doing one by one code. Okay, you can no need of any other things also. Very simple. You can find ideally like this. It will you will get it. Okay, there you can type it directly, what command you find it. So type a print commands. I show now a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, like that. You can do it. If you want, I will give you a format also, like just do it. You will understand, you will habituated to how to type it. Okay, or put it in a notepad. You can use notepad plus plus also. You want an online tutorials, you can click here. Now close. It is successful. So one thing is, go to CMD. After that one, go to CMD. Type Python hyphen V. So it will show you. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Exit. Python. Okay. So you can see just by Python typing, you will get a version and you got a ideally screen. So like you can type something. Close it. Okay, like that you can type some print statement and test it. It is there. To exit from it, so type exit in the brackets. Okay, so this is very simply test whether Python is working or not. Next, next one. In a search, type IDLE, or you can type Python also, no problem. But open the IDLEs. For first time, it will take little bit background running kind of stuff. Okay, so this is your IDLE. Initially, you will get a very small letters, but I change in a background. It is because of world one. It is working. It is showing 3.9.5. It is not my 10. This is the one I want it. Ideally 10. This is 10 because I have both. I will uninstall the old one. I will uninstall the old one. See, this is the new console. Right? It is very good. So try print statement. Hello Python. Okay, like hello Java type only. So I got it. So can I get up and down? No, up and down kind of stuff won't work. Everything you have to type it only. Okay. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So you like A plus B. You ask for a case sensitive or not? Case sensitive. Case sensitive. Okay. Compulsory. Case sensitive. See, capital P, small p, compulsory, case sensitive. And read the errors. Read the errors. Don't worry about errors. Read the errors. Okay. You can use ideally type all the commands one by one. No problem. No, no, it's not a big deal. Okay. S is equal to mm, Vedic soft. So all strings must have quotation, single quote or double quote. So S is equal to Vedic soft. Print S Vedic soft. If I type print in quotations, yes, it print S only, not a value of S. So understand the differences. Try it. If you try, you will learn a lot of things. Okay. Tomorrow I will teach you what is list and all kind of stuff. Then you can try it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mm,
Thank you, sir.
okay. So that's it, guys. For now.